Hello everyone, welcome to Supersage as a wealth creation platform. My name is Abugu Nehemiah, aka Nehesco. I'm a member of Supersize Smart Contract, and it's been a great experience being a member of this great platform because I've actually benefited immensely from this business opportunity, and I would like to share with us how this platform works so that we can actually benefit from it as well. I'll be looking at three major highlights in this presentation. Cryptocurrency, we'll be looking at how cryptocurrency works. I'll be looking at smart contracts, how it works as well, and how Supersage works. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscription notification bell. Let's get started. So cryptocurrency, a lot of us have been hearing about cryptocurrency, but we don't really know what it entails. So in a nutshell, cryptocurrency is digital money, okay, or you can define it as digital assets assigned to work as a medium of exchange like other global currencies. So what it means is that your cryptocurrency is money that you can actually use for transaction online, and to use it for transaction offline you can convert it to your fiat currency and use it for transaction. So Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency that was created in 2009, and by then one Bitcoin was less than $1. So you could see there was a time when one Bitcoin was very affordable, but the question was, did you know about the opportunity? So only few people that knew about this opportunity were able to invest in BTC, and currently one BTC has risen to over $11,000. Okay, so people that took that opportunity have all been made. Okay, they are financially buoyant now because one BTC has increased from less than $1 to over $12,000. Now the cryptocurrency that offers great opportunities for investment right now is Trons. So Trons is the cryptocurrency of focus, and we'll be looking at how we can accumulate Trons using Supersage. So you need to know that one Tron is less than $1, and that makes it to be a good source of investment for anyone who is ready to take advantage of this platform. What is a smart contract? Now, a smart contract is simply an agreement between two people in the form of a computer code. So in a smart contract, the agreement has been integrated in a computer code such that as people meet the agreement, as people meet the marketing conditions, right, people get paid in the process because the smart contract executes their payment, and these payments are sent to members' direct wallets without having to pass through any admin. So in a smart contract, the database is stored on blockchain, and that makes it to be highly secured. Remember I told you that blockchain is the safest form of technology. So the database of the smart contract is on blockchain, making it to be a legit platform that cannot be altered, manipulated, or tampered with. So every information are secured in this smart contract, and you need to know that these smart contracts are 100% decentralized, secured, and safe. Nobody can hack into the system, not even the developers of the system. Now let's look at how Supersage smart contract works. So Supersage is simply a platform that runs on Tron. Tron is the cryptocurrency that we are looking at in this presentation, and this Supersage has two structures. So with this Supersage you can earn as many Trons as possible. Okay, we have two major structures, the S3 structure and the S4 structure. So in our next slide we'll be looking at how these structures work. You need to know that each of these structures has 14 levels. So let's look at how this platform works. Now this is the S3 structure. I'll be very brief in explaining to you how the S3 structure works so that you understand how this business could actually favor you when you join it. Okay, so we are looking at the S3 structure. This is the S3 structure. So in this S2 structure, you earn strictly based on referrals. that is people you introduce to this platform, because this is a network marketing platform. And as people get to know about this coin by you telling them about it, the value of this coin will tend to rise. So it is very important to tell people about the platform, so that the members that will be using this coin would keep increasing, leading to the appreciation of value of this cryptocurrency. So looking at how this platform works, on the X3, like I said, your earnings are mainly based on people you refer. So there are 2 positions you earn. You can see that this has 3 positions. Each of the levels has 3 positions. Okay, it's a 3x1 matrix, so you can earn on just 2 positions here, position 1 and position 2. And you can earn on this level 1, you earn 250 trons on this position, on this level 1. Okay, so when you refer the first person, you get any year 250 trons. The second person joins you, you get any year 250 trons. Now the third person that comes in, the earning doesn't come to you, it is used to open up this level for you again, so you can reinvest for this level automatically by virtue of last person joining you, thereby making this slot to reinvest and open this level for you again to earn from it over and over and over again. So you can actually upgrade from one level to the other. This is level 2, this is level 3, level 4, and each of the levels has different amounts of trons that can be used to purchase them. So you can see that on the S3 you earn through strictly based on referral, and you can have minimum of 3 partners are required, but you can have as many partners as possible. Now let's look at the next structure, which is the S4 structure. Now this S4 structure, you can see that it's composed of a 2x2 matrix, right? 2x2 matrix, meaning that you actually have, there are 2 people under here and 4 people under those 2 people. So in this structure, you earn with or without referrals through what we call spillovers or overflow. It's very magical, right? Because here you can actually earn without any single referral. So you can see that you have 6 positions in total here. Now let me tell you how payments are being done on this platform. The marketing condition is that these first 2 payments goes to your upline. Position 1, position 2 payment goes to your upline. Position 3, position 4, position 5 payment comes to you. Position 6 payment goes to your upline for investment in this slot. So whenever this circle is filled up, right, the payment always goes to your upline. This circle is filled up, it also goes to your upline. When this circle is filled up, you earn from it. This is filled up, you earn from it. This is filled up, you also earn from it. When this is filled up, the payment goes to your upline. So these are the marketing conditions of this platform, and with these marketing conditions you can actually move from level 1 to level 2 to level 3 to level 4 till the last level, which is the level 14. And before you even get to level 14, you must have made millions from this platform. So this is exactly how the platform works. So let me just give you a short testimony about this platform. So this is my own dashboard, the one by the left. Okay, you can see that I've earned a total of 90,000 trons from this platform. Right now, one trons is currently 14 naira. So you can see I did the calculation. Okay, I did the calculation. So you can see here that I've made over 1 million naira from this platform. So you can see how powerful this platform is. With this platform, I've made over 1 million naira in a space of just 3 weeks. Okay, because I tapped into this opportunity. Okay, now this platform, this account on the right is also one of my team members in this platform. He has made a total of 630,000 trons, which in naira is, as you can see displayed here, is over 9 million naira. So you can actually imagine, right, how people have made millions from this platform by tapping into this opportunity. There are so many other earnings of members in this platform. Okay, so the fact of the matter is this platform is legit, it is paying, and it's the best platform you can actually tap into. So don't get it twisted. Take the decision to join this platform and you will not regret doing so. To join this platform requires a minimum investment of 510 trons, and that 510 trons in naira is just 6,500 naira as of the time of the creation of this video. So let's quickly look at the features of Tron cryptocurrency. It is 100% decentralized, it is secure, it is transparent, there is direct referral bonus, peer-to-peer payment, and unlimited Tron earnings. These are the major features of the Tron cryptocurrency. Okay, now thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel, click on the subscribe button below and click on the notification bell as well, so that whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel, you'll be notified instantly. So try to get back to who shared this video with you and make sure you get started with this platform. Steps on how to become part of this system will be given to you. Thank you and God bless you. Bye for now and remain blessed.